Assalamu alaikum. So, in today's class, we are going to start the first chapter from politics, that is understanding diversity. So, in this chapter, we will be studying about the different features that you will find in different places. Okay, so understanding diversity means, first of all, we all know how our India is, right? We are having a variety of diversities, and we know that all the people in India are living with a unity. So, first of all, factors influencing diversity. So, what are the two factors that influence diversity? The first one is historical factors, and the second one is geographical factors. So, historical factors means what is the past of that particular place. Okay, so if we'll take, we know that there are some civilizations. So, that part of the places are having their own past, so it will come under the historical factors. And the next one is geographical factors, which means the topography and the height from the sea, latitude, altitude, these type of things will come in this geographical factors. So nearness of the sea, which means like the places near to the sea or not, and the places in a high range or not, and what is the topography, right? So these type of things are coming under the geographical factors. So first of all, what are the factors influencing diversity? So factors influencing diversities are historical factors and geographical factors. So in order to understand the diversities that the India is having, we will study with the example of two places which are almost opposite to each other. So the first one is Ladakh. The first place that you have to study in your textbook is Ladakh. Note down all the points. So this Ladakh is having awesome physical features. So the Ladakh is having awesome physical features. Awesome means wonderful physical features, which gives pleasure to our eyes, right? So when we will see them, we will get some happiness. So the place is bound with beauty. Next one is surrounded by world's mightiest mountain, Karakoram. In the south, and Great Himalayas in the south. So this Ladakh, first of all, it has a wonderful physical feature. Wonderful physical feature means we will get happiness by seeing the place, right? It gives pleasure to our eyes. So that much beautiful place is Ladakh. And next one is it is surrounded with mightiest mountains such as Karakoram and Great Himalayas. And the next one is people are different from the rest of India. So the people, their physical features, like their face, even though their eyes, these type of things are very much different from the other peoples of India, which means like the South Indians also having little bit similarities with like Delhi people, Mumbai people, right? But this one, the people living in Ladakh, they are having different, like they don't have that much similarity with the rest of the people of India. So they are different from the rest of the people of India, even though for seeing their living style is also different, and for seeing also they are quite different from the other people of India. They resemble the people of Tibet and Central Asia. So the people of this Ladakh, okay, the people of this Ladakh, they look like the people of Tibet and Central Asia. So they resemble. Resemblance means they are similar. Okay, look like. That is the meaning of resemble. So they resemble the people of Tibet and Central Asia. They look like the people of Tibet and Central Asia. You know, their features like a small eyes and all those type of things. So the people are different from the rest of India. They resemble the people of Tibet and Central Asia. So what we have discussed? We have discussed about Ladakh. So Ladakh is having awesome physical features. The place is very much bound with the beauty. Okay, we can have a wonderful scenario if we will go to Ladakh. And the next one is surrounded by world's mightiest mountain Karakoram and great Himalayas in the south, and people are different from rest of India. So their physical appearance is very much different from the people in the other parts of India, and they resemble the people of Tibet and Tibet and Central Asia. So these people look alike. The people of Tibet and Central Asia, they are very much different from the people of the rest of India. And the next features are about the climate. It is a cold desert with limited source of water. So this Ladakh, it is a desert type area, and this is whenever we will discuss about desert, the first thing that comes to our mind is hot and there is no water, and every time like a hot wind are blowing and too much of sand. But this Ladakh is also a type of desert, but this is cold desert. Okay, so the Ladakh is a cold desert with a limited source of water. And so it is a cold desert, less agriculture is possible. So the climate is cold, so it is a cold desert type area, so the agriculture is not at like only less agriculture is possible in this area, and the rice is their staple food. The main food is rice. As of Kerala, right? So rice is the staple food, and the people of this Ladakh follow the religion that is known as Lamaism. And it is a form of Buddhism. Okay, so the people of the Ladakh follow a religion that is Lamaism, and that is a form of Buddhism, and Dalai Lama is their spiritual head. So they are worshipping him. So the other features of Ladakh is it is a cold desert with limited source of water. So the source of water is very less, and unlike the normal desert, it is not at all hot, it is very cold. And so this is a cold desert type area. Agriculture is not at all possible in Ladakh. So less agriculture only they are having. And the next one is, which is familiar to us, that is the Keralites, that is they are having staple food, that is rice. So rice is their staple food. And also next is about the religion. They follow Lamaism. So what is Lamaism? It is a form of Buddhism, and in which they are having the spiritual head as Dalai Lama. Dalai Lama and the spiritual head ആയിട്ട് വർഷിപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. So what are the features of Ladakh? Ladakh is a place with awesome physical features. Awesome physical features means wonderful physical features, and it is a cold desert and with a limited source of water. Since it is a cold desert, we cannot have more agriculture there. ഇങ്ങനെ കണക്ട് ചെയ്ത് പഠിക്കണം എന്നാണ്. കോൾഡ് ഡെസേർട്ട് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എന്താവില്ല, ഒരുപാട് അഗ്രികൾച്ചറിനുള്ള പോസിബിലിറ്റീസ് ഇല്ല. And it is surrounded with the mightiest mountain ranges such as Himalayas and Karakoram, and the people. So you can think about the people. That time you will understand that they don't look like the other people of India. They look like they resemble the people of Tibet and Central Asia. If you will Google it, you can see the place and you can understand how beautiful the place is. But still, they are having many problems, such as they are having high, like climate will be every time cold, and they cannot have more resources of water, and they will be having scarcity in their food resources also. Okay, so these are the features of Ladakh. And another one feature that we have discussed is they follow the religion that is known as Lamaism, and it is a form of Buddhism, and the Dalai Lama is their spiritual head. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.